Okay, here we will learn how to use this Makers Empire and how to make a design in Makers Empire. So here I am going here, first of all open Makers Empire, go to Shaper mode. In Shaper, go here and select flat, and after selecting flat I have to select hard shape. Okay, if it is lock, so you can purchase it by clicking this one and you can just purchase it, okay, with the coins whatever you have. So I have this, so I don't want this, so I can just simply delete this one like this. Now I have to readjust it a little size with the shape. Okay, I have taken two. I need only one first. Okay, like that. Now check the color, what the color I need. Okay, so this tool is for resize tool. There are two types of resize. One is for the toolbar. Okay, here I can change any of my shape, any of my size, and if I fix it by clicking this four arrows, now it's fixed. Fixed means I can change with the fixed size, only with the fixed size. Okay, so now I need a black color. I select here black color. Now I go to these three lines here, click on this function that is called copy. I just copy here. I can change the color a little bit, move, okay, and put it on the top exactly with the same size. Again I copy, third one, make green color because I need UAE flag color, that is black, white and green. Okay, and the last one, the fourth, I need a red color like this. Okay, one more thing, if you don't have this color, what we supposed to do? Okay, so simple thing, you just double click here and you can choose the color what you want. Okay, like, okay, I need black or white or red, so I can choose from here. That's it. Now the next thing is I have to join this one. I can go to zoom it. I will check whether it is perfect or not. It seems to be perfect, little bit. Yeah, now it seems to be good. Now I'm double click again, zoom out. I just join here. This one is a join option that is called group. I just click here and I select all my heart shapes like this and click on group. Now all my shapes are grouped, so I can resize, I can move, so it will turn for all the hearts. Okay, now I have to write something here on the top of the heart, so simply I do here, I click here on TT, that is for text. Okay, and now I delete first of all this text and I write here I love UAE. Okay, now I change color whatever I want. Okay, I can change color whatever I want. I can change their font whatever I want. Okay, now I can make a size whatever I want like this. Okay, I put it here, yeah, and I click on the finish. I write here some title and finish. This is how we can make this activity. Thank you. So I can check here my work is done here. I can open from here. I can again edit if I want to edit it. If I want to change, I can edit it again. That's how we can do it. Okay.